Now we want to get a better understanding of equality. So the next clip is focused on racism and sexism. And for what we created a little story. So, yeah, have fun watching.
Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about equality. Our focus will be on racism. The first story shows the experience of two friends when they enter a library. Shamira and Audrey are planning to take out books for their school project. Suddenly, the librarian tells the security guard to keep an eye on them.
Could you keep an eye on them, please?
Question: was the librarian justified in her decision to send the security guard after the girls? The next story is about Cecilia, a student, offering a seat to a pensioner in a bus that is full. The pensioner refuses to take the seat. She would rather stand than sit on a seat of someone of a different race. The story you are about to witness is a reflection of the most common situation in household today. Margaret is at work when she gets an urgent call from her husband.
Daddy. Where you at?
I'm at work, baby.
Yeah, well, but you need to be home now.
I just have a lot of work to do.
Yeah, no, but baby, you need to clean the house. You need to make some food. I'm hungry. You need to make the dishes. Just come home now.
But baby, you can make your own.
No, not how. Just
statistically speaking, women of all ages do more household chores than their male counterparts.
No, but you come home now. No discussion.
But there is no equality without unity.